As parents, watching our child go through a hospital stay, whether it's surgery, a chronic illness, or a difficult diagnosis, can feel overwhelming. In those moments, we search for anything that might bring them comfort, joy, or even just a moment where they can breathe again and feel like themselves. That's where therapy dogs come in. These specially trained animals do so much more than offer a cute distraction. They help children feel safe, seen, and emotionally supported in a way that feels natural and non-judgmental. Something that even well-meaning adults sometimes struggle to provide when a child is overwhelmed or scared. There's actually real science behind this. Researchers call it human-animal interaction theory, and it works through three powerful effects. Biophilia. Humans, especially children, are naturally drawn to living things. Just being near an animal can lower stress. Self-theory. Therapy dogs don't judge, ask questions, or expect anything. That creates a calm, steady space where children can feel accepted exactly as they are. Social support. When a child interacts with a therapy dog, they feel connected and accompanied. It reminds them that they don't have to go through recovery alone. In hospitals, children who spend time with therapy dogs report less anxiety, less pain, more independence, and even say they love the hospital after a visit. The environment suddenly feels less clinical and more human. And what's beautiful is that these benefits don't have to stay within hospital walls. For children recovering at home, kids living with chronic illness, or those entering palliative care, therapy dog visits can continue in outpatient programs or even at home. These gentle interactions encourage movement, support emotional learning, and bring genuine companionship back into daily life. Here in Orlando, Beyond the Leash is a cornerstone in making this possible. Their mission is to strengthen the bond between people and therapy animals through joyful, positive training. They don't just train therapy dogs, they actively coordinate visits to hospitals, community events, and places like Arnold Palmer Hospital, bringing moments of light and connection to families just like yours. Here is a heartwarming clip showing the Beyond the Leash team training therapy dogs for an upcoming Halloween party at Arnold Palmer Hospital. Here are members of the staff, Kim and Jen, discussing the benefits of pet therapy, which inspire the great work that they do.
Some of the best benefits for pet therapy for children are that it reduces high blood pressure, stress levels, cortisol levels, and just with 5 to 10 minutes of petting a dog is something that can really help them without having to have a medical procedure, without medications, kind of like a non-invasive way of helping kids especially conquer their fears.
It gives them a different focus for what they're actually going through, whether it's something at school, a chronic illness at home. So it definitely can bring something to their life that gives them something fun and enjoyable to talk about and share with others versus whatever else is going on in their lives.
If you feel this could benefit your child, you can simply ask your care team or hospital volunteer services if therapy dog programs are available. Many organizations, including Pet Partners and Therapy Dogs International, also offer home visits or outpatient support for families who want to continue these therapeutic interactions after discharge. As parents, we can't take away every challenge our children face, but we can bring in support that speaks to their heart. A therapy dog visit may seem small, but sometimes that gentle moment of connection makes all the difference. You are not alone, and your child doesn't have to be either. Ask your care team how therapy dog support can be part of your child's healing journey, because hope sometimes has fur and a wagging tail.